Want to know how to see your business information in TaskRabbit? So if you are legally working and booking for TaskRabbit, you should have a business information. So if you have already created it, like for payouts and much more, so you can simply check it. So this video is for you. So first things first, simply open up TaskRabbit.com, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface onto your dashboard. If you don't have this interface, make sure you log in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, on the top right side you should be seeing account right here. So again, this simply like it. So now once you have started your account, here you should be provided with various interfaces. So you should be under your profile, and on the left side right below cancel a task, you should be seeing business information. So for me right now, I don't have any business information. So if you have any legal information, it should show right here, and it should show update my info as well. So you can just simply select it if you have any info updated, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.